Hello viewers, today I've got another fire alarm system test. During this quarantine I've actually had time to clean all this up. I was able to organize everything and actually took down the, I used to have a bookcase here. As you can see, there's still the imprint in the floor, and the floor started popping and clicking in this general area. This here is not a load-bearing wall. There's nothing underneath here, so I was pretty concerned with weight loading, and so I took everything down, put it in boxes, and doesn't do it anymore. So it's a new insulator table and 13.2 transformer. Basically anything that I didn't use in the past month I put in storage, as everything was just collecting dust. So since the last system, nothing has really changed. Still the same devices, system sensor L series there, and the same pull stations. Same cheap emergency light. And that raceway there fell down recently. I have to get back up there and put it back together. There's a photoelectric. I did get this exit sign. I believe it was in the last video. It's a vintage Hubbell LED, which I think is really neat. It is dual-sided though. And there's a sync module coming down to another pull station. So, believe it or not, the battery is still hanging in there. 5 years old now, almost 5 years old now. It is having trouble with the reset switch. I did notice that after the reset switch is pushed, the contacts in there they must be sticking, or they don't relatch back into position. And it will stay in trouble mode until it's pressed several times. I'm hoping it's just contaminants in there. However, if it is a switch failure, it might not be too hard to find another one for that. And I do have another one down here, so it wouldn't be too hard to replace, even though I want to save that one for a different project. Just set this off. Come over here. This one though is pretty obstructed. Silence that. Actually, what I'll do is I'll bit of a bonus. Come down here and unplug this. You can see that flashes when the power goes out, and the emergency light's still on. Just temporarily let this orange strobes on battery backup. You can see just on battery. I believe that battery should be replaced soon. It is about going on 5 years old. stay flashing. There is a setting on there for it to be constant. However, I kind of do like the flashing. Just plug this back in. And back to normal. So that is an intermittent problem with that reset switch there. However, I don't think it should be too much of a problem with this panel. It is quite amazing that this panel is from 1988 and still functioning. That's about it in this video. Catch you in the next one.